Rebel Canners, teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. Go ahead and start mashing the berries. They're still pretty frozen. May not get a good mash yet. We'll just let these thaw a little bit more, and then we'll mash them with a potato masher. Yeah, those are too solid yet. Give it a little more time. All it took was a little bit more heat, and then the potato masher is doing a great job of mashing up the blackberries here. I'm going to go ahead and finish this job and let them cook for a few more minutes, and then we can start adding our other ingredients. Okay, so we've got the, oh my goodness, blackberries all mixed up here and starting to heat up quite nicely. I'm going to go ahead and add my lemon juice, and I have also pre-measured a 1/4 cup of lemon juice, and I have 1 box of pectin to go in this. So my sugar. Be right back. And then we'll decide if we're going to need any pectin or not. This might be able to just cook down enough. I might just do the gel method today. We'll see. Okay, so make sure that you get your jam up to a good rolling boil. I already did, and then I had to take it down because I got a phone call. So this jam has been boiling for a good solid 5 minutes. I added the pectin, 8 tablespoons of Amish bought pectin, so it wasn't in a box. Sorry, I had to get that added and the phone was in use. But I'm going to go ahead and jar this up now, and it is starting to actually thicken up on me. So I'm going to let you go. I will come back when I'm jarring it up. Ready? Yep. I just love the color of blackberry jam when it goes in the jar. It's pretty. It is. I think it's one of the prettiest jams, except for the red bud we did.
Yes, the red bud was beautiful.
Yep. Thank you.
You're welcome.
And I think this is going to make way more than the 3 pints it said. Good thing I did extra jars. Always prepare your jars ahead of time. Wash them and sanitize them and have them ready before you even start your jelly. Oh yeah, we got, I don't know what's wrong with this recipe. We got way more than what it said. Okay, we have some more jars. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and wipe them, get the lids, the rings on. So messy, but so yummy. Wipe them. Just gonna go ahead and wipe the rest of these. These, I'll take these. The rings on, and they are ready to process. We're going to go ahead and water bath this for 15 minutes. Go ahead and process in your water bath canner for 25 minutes for quarts or 15 minutes for pints. And there you have it, Rebel Canners. You have blackberry jam. So yummy on toast. It's one of my favorite things in the morning. You guys have a great day, and as always, like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. You don't want to miss another episode. Please like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you never miss another episode.